In this quick guide, you'll learn how to log in to GitHub Enterprise. Whether you're a new user or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through the steps to access your account smoothly and efficiently. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the GitHub Enterprise login page. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your personal GitHub username or email address, followed by your password. It's important to make sure that you're entering the correct credentials to avoid any login issues. If you've forgotten your password, you can always use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once you've entered your credentials, it's time to complete the two-factor authentication, or 2FA process. This is a crucial step in ensuring the security of your account. If you've set up 2FA, you will need to enter the code sent to your authentication app or via SMS, depending on how you've configured it. This extra layer of security helps protect your data and keep your account safe from unauthorized access. Now, let's move on to accessing your company's private organization or repositories. Sometimes, when you attempt to access these links, GitHub will present you with a message stating, "This organization requires SAML single sign-on." This is known as the single sign-on, or SSO, handshake. It's a security measure used by organizations to manage access to their resources effectively. When you see this message, don't worry. All you need to do is click on the Continue button. By doing this, you'll be redirected to your organization's identity provider for authentication. This process may vary depending on how your company has set up its SSO, but typically, you'll need to log in using your corporate credentials. Once you have successfully authenticated through your organization's identity provider, you'll be redirected back to GitHub Enterprise. At this point, you should have full access to your company's private resources. If you encounter any issues during this process, it's a good idea to reach out to your IT department or GitHub support for assistance. And there you have it. You've successfully logged into GitHub Enterprise and accessed your organization's resources. Remember, ensuring your login credentials are up to date and completing the two-factor authentication process are vital for maintaining the security of your account. Additionally, understanding the single sign-on handshake will help you navigate the login process with confidence. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy coding!